If you want to hide an app on iPhone 16e, what you need to do is press and hold your finger on the app, either in the home screen or in the app library, and then you should be able to choose require Face ID or require passcode, depending if you have Face ID enabled, and then choose hide and require Face ID. Of course, use Face ID in order to verify yourself, or use the passcode, and then confirm that you want to hide it. And there we go. The app is now hidden. You want to be able to find it in the app library as well. As you can see, it's nothing there. So in order to find it, we need to go over here to this app library screen, scroll all the way down in order to find hidden. So we can tap on it, use Face ID or passcode in order to reveal the app. And now we can just simply open it. And once again, we will need to use Face ID in order to open the app. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!